Now we are going to solve this simultaneous question which contain a logarithm. So we are going to solve this simultaneous question is composed by two equations. We are going to start by solving the first equation in order to get the simple equation which can give us the value of x and the value of y. So now we have log x plus y which is equal to 1, and we know that log 10 is equal to 1, so we can substitute 1 with log 10. Now we have log x plus y which is equal to log 10. So now log will cancel, and now we have log will cancel. Now we have x plus y which is equal to 10. This is the first simple equation. We will use this simple equation to find the value of x and y. Okay, let me clean. Okay, now we are going to use the second equation to find the simplest equation which can use to find the value of x and y. So now we have log x base 2 plus 2 log y base 4 which is equal to 4. All you have to think about this, you have to think about the change of base of property, the change of base property. Base property says when you have log x base b will be equal to log x base a over log b base a. So now we are going to apply this property into our expression. Now we'll have log x base 2 plus 2 log y base 2 over log 4 base 2 which is equal to 4. Now let me clean. Okay, now log 4 base b log 4 base 2 is equal to 2. Now we can write this as log x base 2 plus 2 log y base 2 over 2 which is equal to 4. Now 2 will cancel, and then you can write this as log x base 2 plus log y base 2 which is equal to 4. Okay, now let me clean. So at this point we have to mind about the two property. The first property is about the power property. Power property says when you have log x power k will be equal to k log x. The second property is about the product property. When you have log a times b will be equal to log a plus log b. So now we are going to use these two property into our expression, and log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. So if we apply this in this side, we change nothing. So now we are going to use this two property and this, and also this one. So let me clean. Here we have log 2x times y, which is equal to log 2 power 4 base 2. And now this will give us this log 2 will cancel, then we have x times y, which is equal to 2 power 4, and then x times y is equal to 16. So now this is the second simple equation. X times y, which is equal to 16. These two simple equation can help us to find the value of x and the value of y. So now we are going to apply this. Okay, now x plus y, which is equal to 10, x times y, which is equal to 16. We can start by this one. The value of x is equal to 10 minus y. Then we can substitute this value of x into the second equation. Here we'll have 10 negative y times y, which is equal to 16. And then this will give us y square negative 10y negative 16, which is equal to 0. This in this quadratic equation, we have two factors, y negative 2 and y negative 8, which is equal to 0. So at this point, we can equalize each factor with a 0. 0, y is equal to 2. Y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then y will be equal to 8. This is y1, this is y2. Then we can use this value of y to find the value of x. Okay, let me try to clean this. Okay, now we are going to substitute y1 and y2. Here y1 is equal to 2. Then let's use the second equation. X times 2 is equal to 16. Then x is equal to 16 over 2, which is equal to 8. Then our x1 is equal to 8. We can substitute by using y2 to get x2 times 8, which is equal to 16. Then x will be equal to 16 over 8, which is equal to 2. This is x2. So thank you for watching this video.